Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture we're going to be taking a look at mixed conditionals. So in the last lecture we looked at third conditional. Now we're looking at mixed, which is basically a mix of third and second, or first and second. So let's take a look at how you make a mixed conditional then. So your mixed conditionals can come in two different ways. You can either have a present condition with a past result. So for your present condition, you would have if and past simple. So that would be like your first part of second conditional. So you'd have if and past simple, and then your past result would be could, have, and a past participle, which would be like your past result for third conditional. So this is basically a mix of second for your condition and third for your result. And that would look something like this. So if he was a better actor, present condition, he's not a good actor, but if he was a better actor, he could have won an Oscar in the past. So often we would use this, the condition clause would often be a state using be. Possibly have as well. If I had more money, this would have happened in the past. But generally we would use this with a state of being. So if he was a better actor, he's not. He could have won an Oscar, but he didn't. So present condition, past result. So that's one way to make a mixed conditional. The second way would be to have a past condition with a present result. So it's essentially the opposite. And here you would have if and past perfect. So this would be from your third conditional form. And would and an infinitive. So again from your second conditional form, but the opposite. And that would look like if he had cast someone else, it would be better. But he didn't cast someone else in the past, and it isn't better now. So we get a past condition with a present result. So that's how you make mixed conditionals, either a present condition with a past result, or the opposite, a past condition with a present result. So again, now you're going to have a little practice. Pear Deck users, move to the next slide, and that will be interactive for you, and you can do this quiz there. Or regular users, click the link below this video, and you can take the quiz on mixed conditionals. And then when you finish that, join me in the next lecture, where we'll be looking at passive forms. I'll see you there.